Kuhanin mo na. Sige na. Kuhanin mo na. Humiga ka. Humiga ka. O sige, sige paa. Sige, sige, sige. Ah, sige.
Taan mo ng paa mo.
Where is it? Oh, sige, where? Give it to me. Nasaan na? Where is it? Oh, get it. Use your hand. Use your hand na.
Use your hand.
Oh, go. Where is it? Oh, get it. Get your flashlight para makita mo. Oh, sige. Nasaan ba? Oh. Kuhanin mo na.
Mother.
Ano, I want mother. Sige na, you can do it. Higa ka, higa. 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 Ayan, higa. Sige, higa. Higa, tapos iganan mo yung hand mo. Bilis. Higa na, higa. Move the electric fan. Oh, carry mo yung electric fan. Oh, two hands, two hands, two hands. Sige na, kaya mo yan. Two hands. Sige na, two hands. Sige na, abutin mo na.
Nakita niyo na po ba to? Ang binigay yung picture namin.
Oo. Ibibigay uli sa kanya. Oh, ayan, kita mo na. Oh, move the electric fan. Two hands. Oh, sige, go. You can do it. Iganan mo nga yung hands mo. Higa, higa. Pakibuhat niya electric fan, G.
Okay, get your ano. Sige,
Ayan na,
get.
ayan.
Oh, get.
What number is this?
7.
Oh,
10.
17. Oh, close the flashlight. Good job. Galing yan.